Hello learners, welcome to my YouTube channel Ardent English Reader. We are going to deal with a very interesting subject today. Before beginning this video, I will tell you to subscribe my channel if you do not do it. And I will tell you with this that the I button and the description box you will must watch because all other videos of this channel are given there. Please click and watch. Let's start. Today's video topic is voice change. At first, we will know what is voice. Voice is the form of verb. Subject is doing the work oneself or doing by the help of someone or something has been done to it. Two things are very important here, learners. Subject is doing the work oneself, and sometimes it will be seen that subject is passive. That means subject is not working himself or herself, but it seems to be someone that the work has been done by the subject, but directly subject is not doing the work. Here see two examples are given here. Number one, I do the work. Here do is the verb, and if you question to the verb do who, then you will get the answer I, that is subject. And if you question to the verb do by what, you will get the answer the work, and that is object. So here you can look that I do the work. That means I is active here. I is the subject and the work is directly done by I. So I directly here does his job. So here I is active. In the next sentence, just watch, the work is done by me. Learners, watch carefully. Here me is the object form and the work is done by me. Here as if it seems to someone that the work is not done directly by the subject me. Someone is helping the subject to perform the work. So in this case the subject is passive. Now we will learn types of voice. There are three types of voice: active voice, passive voice, quasi-passive voice. Before learning voice change, we need to learn about what is transitive verb and what is intransitive verb. What is transitive verb? Transitive verb is the verb that accepts object. In one word, we can say that the verb which takes object is called transitive verb. Intransitive verb that doesn't take any object. That means when you question to the verb by what or whom, you will get the answer. Just here look at the example, I read book. Here if you question to the verb that is read, here is read is the verb, and if you question to read who, then you will get the answer I. And if you question to the verb read by what or whom, you will get the answer book, and here is the object. So this verb is transitive. We can call this verb is transitive. Now here in this case, intransitive verb, I am playing. I am playing. I is the subject, am is auxiliary verb, and playing is also verb. So am playing is a verb here. If you question to am playing by what or whom, you will not get an answer. So from this we can say that this verb is not transitive because it doesn't have an object. So from this point of view, we can say that this verb, that is am playing, is intransitive verb. So now we learn some general rules for voice change. Actually, how to active to passive, how to do active to passive. But here is one thing one should be remembered, that voice change means not only active to passive but also passive to active. So some general rules are given here. Number one, the subject of active voice will be the object of passive voice, and a preposition will be placed before the object. Number two, object of active voice will be the subject of passive voice. Number three, third form of main verb. Often many people call this third form as past participle form and conjugation of the verb, so whatever name. So here look at the example, I read book. I read book. Here I is the subject, read is the verb, and book is the object. So the learner, according to the rules, general rules, actually the object of the active voice, here it is active voice, I read book, active voice, subject is doing the work himself. So from this point of view we can say that it is active voice. And just look, the object book will be the subject of passive voice, that is happen here, book. Then this is present indefinite tense. So according to tense you will learn later how tense does the work in a sentence during voice change. So book is the subject here, book is singular number, and according to the tense it is taken helping verb is. Here it is said also, the subject of voice, active voice, will be the object of passive voice, and a preposition will be placed before the object. Object of active voice will be the subject of passive voice, third form of main verb. And also one thing you should know, that here one thing is not said in this general rule, that will be a helping verb will be taken after the subject according to the tense. So here that is happen according to tense. Here book has taken the helping verb is, and then main verb, third form of the main verb, read, read. So third form of the main verb, read, and then a preposition will be taken before the object. Subject of the active voice will be the object of the passive voice. So that is happen, subject of active voice, here is the object form because it is object now, and a preposition placed before the object, here by, before the object me, before the object me, here by is placed. So I think you understand well. Next, voice change of tenses. According to tense, how we do voice change? Normally we take voice change of 8 tenses. Actually there are 12 tenses in English grammar, but of these actually 8 tenses are eligible to make voice change. Just here look, present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, past indefinite or simple past, past continuous, past perfect, future indefinite, future perfect. So here number 1, present indefinite. Clue how to do it: subject, am is are, past participle form of verb, preposition, object, and remaining. Here just see the example, she brings candy. So here brings is the verb, she is subject, and candy is the object. So according to the rule, candy will be the subject of the passive voice. So here candy is the subject, and then according to the tense, am is are, on of am is are will be placed here. So candy is singular, third person singular number. So for this is taken here, and then the main verb bring. What is the third form of bring? Bring, brought, brought. So brought is placed here. Then a preposition by, and the object form of she is her. Understood? Next, present continuous tense. Here is given the clue. Subject plus amiger plus being plus past participle form of verb VPP plus preposition plus object plus remaining. Here is given an example. They are playing Ludo. Here Ludo is the object and they is the subject. Are playing is the verb. So Ludo will be the subject of the passive voice, and according to the tense and number, is will be placed here. And as it is a continuous tense, so being will be taken after the helping verb according to the rule. Amiger plus being. So here being is taken, and then the third form of the main verb. Here is the main verb play. Play, played, played. Played is placed here. Next, preposition will be taken before the object. They, object form of they is them, placed here, and before them preposition is placed by. Next, present perfect. Subject have or has been, verb pp, verb pp, preposition, object remaining. Here is an example. I have done it. So according to the rule, subject is it has been will be taken because it is third person singular number. So for this has been will be taken, and then the third form of the verb done, then preposition, then object form of subject. So me is the object form of I. So me is placed here. Here one thing is need to know that in case of present perfect tense, in every perfect tense, for every perfect tense, third form of the verb or conjugation of the verb or past participle of the verb is done, is given. Next, past indefinite. Subject was where, past participle form of verb, preposition, object remaining. Now an example is given here. I helped him in danger. So according to the rule, he was helped by me in danger. Next, past continuous. Here is a clue. Subject was where plus being plus VPP plus preposition plus object plus remaining. He was calling me. So here is the subject is he and me is the object, was calling is the verb. So the subject of the passive voice will be the object of active voice. Me is the object of active voice. So subject form of me is I. I was being called by him. Was where, was will be placed here as the subject is singular, and being will be taken as it is continuous tense, and then third form of the verb call is the main verb. Call, called, called is placed here. Then the object form of subject he, object form of he is him, and then a preposition is placed before object by here. Next, past perfect. Subject plus had been plus VPP plus preposition plus object plus remaining. I had left the place. Here place, the place is the object, I is the subject, had left. Left is the main verb. So the place will be the subject of passive voice, and then had been, then third form of left. I have said you before that every perfect tense has a facility. What is the facility? That the third form of the verb is given here, because according to tense form, subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object plus remaining. So from this we can get the facility of third form. of the verb. Left is the third form, and then preposition by and object form of I is me is placed. Future indefinite. Here is given future indefinite, subject shall or will, and in this case be will be placed after shall or be will. Verb past participle, preposition, object and remaining. So here is given he will be helped by me. Object group of he is him here. So it will be a subject of passive. So here he will be placed, and then will, he is the third person singular number. So will be placed after he, and then be, then past participle form of main verb help, and preposition by, and then object form of I is me. Next, future perfect. Subject plus shall have or will have plus been plus VPP plus preposition plus object plus remaining. I shall have read the novel. Here novel is the object, so it will be the subject of passive voice. The novel will have been read by me. The novel is third person singular, so will have been will be placed after the novel. So here it is placed, and then third form of read is read. It is given here as it is a perfect tense, and so the novel will have been read by me. Object form of I. So this is the first part of voice change, and after that part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, until finish the voice change you will get. So thank you learners for watching, and keep watch and stay tuned. Thank you.